Oh, hey! I didn't see you guys there. I bought a few things from the grocery store. Just gonna put it all in my shopping cart here. Got some melons, some flour, got some eggs, because you know, like my scrambled eggs. Got some bananas, because you know, potassium's always good. A few other things here. Just load this up here. Oh, can't forget your good old soy milk. That's delicious. All right. Let's start this video, guys. Get the fuck away from the sun. What happened to my eggs? Oh guys, I still got my flour. Oh no! That's 2 bits of fucking steel. Oh fuck. Oh no. What happened here? Well, this support went flying. That's not good. I'm like scared, man. Craig, you said you wanted to go in. Not yet. Not until you fucking sort your shit out.
Who's going for the first ride?
The guy that built it. Alright, so this could be the end of me, guys. We don't know.
Safety fucking third.
Dibs on your truck.
Nick, you're take her easy. Okay, don't go until I say go.
You said go twice.
Oh no.
No, no.
Go, Nick, go.
Ready? No, like slow.
No, stop.
Little bit.
Like it. No.
You actually got to sit in it, Brandon.
Bitch, you're later.
I'm not going in there. You fucking crazy?
You are deliberately later. Here.
Put Nick in there. He's the smallest.
Nick?
Yeah. You brought the drive.
No, man, we're.
Let's go.
I am 300 pounds.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Fucking get on there.
Here's a new P&E ride.
Yeah.
Right,
Craig?
go.
I got you.
Any last words there, Nick?
Oh my God.
You ready?
No.
You tell me when you're ready.
Look at go.
And this is how we do it on Bootleg Diesel.
Oh, English. Oh.
Well, how was that, Nick?
Oh, I'm fucking Jesus.
Look at that. This is called the Death Cart. It trains you to get ready for space. That's why I built this, because Bootleg Diesel, we're going to build a diesel rocket ship here. We're going to go right to the moon. That's how we're going to do it here. Alright, well, we got a Temp 2 going. We're going to see if it holds me.
Hopefully no metal flies off this time.
Oh, it's side front. Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Ready?
Yeah.
try it. Okay.
I don't think I'm ready for space.
No?
No, I don't think so. Who's next? Craig, how tall are you? 6'4". 6'4". You're taller than me, so that's why I gotta put that out there. And Craig fits in this shopping cart.
Proceed with gentle caution. There you go, man. Look for all the hills. On the hill now. Holy fuck.
That's all you need, but you're fucking dizzy now.
I know! You get super dizzy really quickly. Mitch!
One of us.
Come on, Mitch. There's a helmet. There's a helmet in my truck. He's doing it. He's slicking back the hair. It's the final brain cell. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. All right, Mitch. You're going. Oh, you love it. You'll love it. No, I got the GoPro. He loves it. Hey, say hi to your mom when you're going around and around.
Holy fuck! Hey, holy fuck!
Oh God. Oh God. Oh.
Oh, how do you feel?
I can believe it. How's Wilbur? Doing good?
I'm pretty sure that was the minute. Where's the 100 grand?
Oh, I didn't offer that. Good shake on that one. Well, as you guys can clearly see, the cart's not that bad. Yeah. Well, this kind of concludes another bootleg diesel contraption. No one died, which is really good.
Yet.
So, what do you mean yet? Yeah, Wyatt, it's your turn.
Wait, it's not that bad.
I don't think I'll last very long at that. I'll probably get fucking 20 feet before I throw up.
That's okay, just go in. Have a shot.
Puke drills.
Yeah, I came out yesterday and I drank with you.
Yeah, you
So
go
now,
right now. Let's go.
yeah.
Mitch, let's go.
Yeah, we're-
Look at this. Let's show the people the contraption here, Mitch. Look at this. Studded tires for extra grip here. Got the steadies. Look at this. Look at this contraption here. I just welded on here to a good old Toyota axle. Good old Toyota, trusty, reliable. Thing's mint. What do you mean? It's not that sketchy.
Yeah, come on. I know him.
All right, Wyatt.
You're inside.
Oh, you're
Backwards.
sitting completely backwards.
He's got a fucking handlebar though. He's
You
fucking
wanna
thinking
sit
smart.
No one has sat that way.
I don't know, that's probably the fucking safer way.
You think so?
Alright. We're giving her. I do for the stop this way? Holy fuck. I'm already walked it up.
Tell me when.
I'm done. Holy fuck. I don't even know how. The fuck, I couldn't have put that for that long. Holy fuck.
Careful now. One easy step at a time.
That's enough of that, Seth.
Oh man. So, like the other trailer shopping cart contraption I had, you can go to my website and book your ride today. Oh god, that's hilarious. Well, we have a lot of good cadets for my new space program that's going on here. It's a pretty good run. I'm actually shocked that this thing didn't break or anything happened to it. Pretty minty. I like it. If you guys want, go on my website. Book your ride today. Well guys, as always, if you guys like this video, this thing's getting in my way. It's awful. Put that right there. Oh, look at this. Now my mic's there. As always, guys, hit that like button. Subscribe. If you guys want, watch my other videos. Captain Grease, out.